Dig this.
Cause I just had to look at you. You know what I mean?
I know it's been a long time, but I don't want to come and start saying, hey, this is what happened though. Let's just move. So, guys, when I came to the UK, this was my first apartment, guys. This apartment saw my tears. This apartment, in short, knows everything about me. This was the bathroom, but guys, it was that time to leave because guys, this kitchen gave me nightmares. The people I lived with, oh my god, story another day. I just want to let you people know that this vlog has different days, but on this day, I was going to make my hair because the next day, which was 4th of September, was my birthday, and I needed to give myself that beautiful glam. But this video doesn't have the shoot, it doesn't have the makeup and all, but actually videoed this process because I wanted to show you guys how my hair was looking. I spent lots of pounds on this hair, and I was like, I was going to tell you guys or show you guys the whole process. But yeah, let's just move forward to the next day, which was after my birthday, and it was time for me to move from the first apartment you saw to another one. This day was like after my birthday, so I already started packing, like packing. But this was my shoe rack, but I want to change it. So I wanted to say this because some of my friends were like, "Why did you change your apartment?" Now, when I came to the UK, this place was just the perfect place for me because rent here was really very affordable. It was £350. No, sorry, £375 per month, and it was really student friendly. And this was very close to school. I could literally just come out if I had a class by 10 a.m., I could leave my house by 9:50 or 9:55 and still get to class by 10. So this place was good for me. But where I currently work is close to where I moved to now, and that's why I moved. This was a gift that a friend gave to me on my birthday. It's an artificial plant. I've always wanted this. And yeah, that was it. This video has a lot of talks, but guys, at this point, I was done packing all my stuff. I already called the van, and the next day I was going to leave. And I'm sorry I did not like vlog all those process, but yeah, that's it. And the next day I went for shopping. All right, this was another day, and I went window shopping, guys. I said it was window shopping, but it was more than window shopping. I got a lot of stuff from TK Maxx.
In everything I want and more. I do your door and I no go come. My medicine, my paracetamol. Baby, you on God, no go jadi sitamol. Kilo answer. See my antenna, girl, you don't scatter. More I wanna know your parole. See my eye, well, girl, you don't read. Only you feel to me, dada, oh, dada.
Guys, it's a very chaotic video, but on this day I already moved to my new space. This is actually my new space, but I couldn't vlog all that processes. The van came to pick me, and when I got my key, I could not vlog it at all. But yeah, this is the new space, and we're going to just make it a little bit better than the other one.
You know I mean, you know I need it. I'm so addicted. I mean, can't live without it. America, you know I mean, you know I need it. I'm so addicted. I mean, can't live without it. America, you know I mean, without it. America, you know I mean, you know I need it. I'm so addicted.
This was like after like 5 days after I moved in. I just put some stuffs everywhere. I was just trying to set it up again because I had to go walk and I didn't have a lot of time. But this was like after 5 days. I was trying to just clean up everywhere. Now, if you check in the video, one of the wall of this room, it's not really, I don't know what happened, but I've called in. They said they were going to come and paint the wall again because they removed the bed frame from there and they changed it to this one in this on this bed now. So they're supposed to come just paint it. But here on this day I was just cleaning up. I'll just show you guys how I was cleaning up. But I got a mirror. It doesn't have a mirror, and me, I can't stay without having a mirror in the room. I bought this very big mirror, but it's yet to come. I got a shoe rack. I got like some stuffs, but they had at this moment they hadn't arrived. Yeah, but yeah, this is just me setting up the whole place.
I mean, can't live without it. America. I'm so addicted. mi sá, kò gbé mi sá. Orí ìfẹ́ yìí ti dà mí lórí rú. Padà wálé to where you belong, to where you belong. Elija, kò bombade, kò gbé mi sá, kò gbé mi sá. Orí ìfẹ́ yìí ti dà mí lórí rú. Padà wálé to where you belong, to where you belong. Now I mean, you know I need it. I'm so addicted, I mean, can't live without it. America, you know I mean, you know I need it. I'm so addicted, I mean, can't live without it. America, you know I mean, you know I need it. I'm so addicted, I mean, can't live without it. America, you know I mean, you know I need it. I'm so addicted, I mean, can't live without it. I'm so addicted. I'm so addicted. I'm so addicted. I'm so addicted. I'm so addicted.
I was done doing everything, and I decided to come back and shop some bed sheets and some plates, and I saw this cute bag, but I was too tempted, but I didn't buy it, guys. I was on a budget, so I just came straight to what I wanted to buy, and yeah, that was it.
And I no go fit deny am, oh, nah, see my antenna, girl, it don't scatter. More wanna know your barrow. See my